Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I hope all of you are fine. So today I am going to explain the two topics. The first one is the fraction and the another one is the shapes. So first of all I am going to explain the fraction. So now what is fraction? The fraction is to divide something into equal parts. Let's suppose here we having an example of a circle. Example of a circle. This is whole. Now if I will cut this circle into two equal parts, so we get how many parts? 1, 2. We get 2 parts. So how we will write it in the fraction form? This line is called as what? Fraction bar. Fraction bar. Below the fraction bar we will write the total number of pieces. Below the fraction bar we will write the total number of pieces. So total number of pieces we have 2. Now in these total number of pieces, how many pieces are colored? Only one piece is colored. So this 1/2 is called as what? Half. Means half portion is colored and half is colorless. So this is all about the fraction. So another example, here we have a square, and in this if I will cut the square into 4 equal parts, so how we will write it in the fraction form? So below the fraction bar, this is the fraction bar, so below the fraction bar I will write the total number of pieces. So total number of pieces we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 total number of pieces. So here I will write 4. If let's suppose this one piece is colored, so above the fraction bar I will write 1. So this 1/4 portion is colored. If someone asks from you that how many pieces are colorless, so the total number of pieces we have 4. So how many pieces are colorless? 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces are colorless. So here I will write 3. Means 1/4 piece is colorful, and this 3/4 piece is colorless. So if let's suppose here we have a triangle, and I will cut the triangle into, let's suppose, 3 pieces. All these pieces are equal? No, these pieces are not equal. So this is not the fraction. This triangle is not the fraction. Why? Because I told you that in the definition, to divide something into equal parts, if the shape is equally divided, so that shape will be the fraction. If the shape is not equally divided, so it means this is wrong. This is all about the fraction. So for the homework you will do the exercise number 4.1. Now moving towards the another topic, that is about the shapes. We have different types of shapes in our surrounding. So the first one shape is the but here I am going to just explain the two types of shapes: flat shapes and the solid shapes. Flat shapes are the two-dimensional shapes, means it can be easily draw on the flat surface or on the board. So this is the rectangle. Now look at this shape. In this rectangle we having how many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We having how many sides? 4 sides. Now in the rectangle we having how many vertices? These corners are known as vertex. Vertex is represented by V. So we having how many vertex? 4 vertex. So in the rectangle shape, the opposite sides are equal. This side is opposite to this one and this side is opposite to this one. So these two sides are equal. This side is equal to this one and this side is equal to this one. Now going towards another example, that is the square. That is the square. Square is again the two-dimensional shape or the flat shape. In this square we having how many sides? 4 sides. We having 4 sides and how many vertex? 4 vertex. 4 sides and 4 vertex. Now in the square, all the sides are equal. This side is equal to this one, this side is equal to this one and this side is equal to this one. Means all the sides are equal. This is all about the flat shape and the two-dimensional shapes. Now moving towards the solid shapes. Now solid shapes are the 3D shapes, or we can say the three-dimensional shapes. This is the example of cuboid. This shape is cuboid. Now in this shape we having how many edges? 12 edges, 8 vertex and 6 faces. We having 12 edges, 8 vertex and 6 faces. So now 1 vertex, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 vertex. Now here we having how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 12. We having how many 12? 12 edges. We having how many vertex? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We having 8 vertex and 12 edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We having how many edges? 12 edges. These are edges. And we having how many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We having how many faces? 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex. This is all about the solid shape. Now for the practice and for the homework, you will do the exercise number 5.1 and question number 1. Shapes. Now I hope all of you will understand about the fraction and the shape. So this is all about the fraction and the shape. So thank you so much.